Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a reliable grip and posture. Place the ball into your palm with fingers spread and thumbs supporting the back. Only about 1/2 of the ball contacts your palm at first. Bend your knees and keep weight on the balls of your feet so you can drive through. Use your non-kicking hand to steady the ball at chest height. This gives a consistent release point. Once set, breathe out and prepare to extend the arm for the palm action. Drive the movement from your hips to add power. Think of your whole body pushing the ball rather than just the arm. As you extend, aim the base of your palm at the ball's center and snap your fingers down and forward. That snap imparts spin and control. Keep the wrist firm but not rigid to absorb and guide the force. Make sure to step forward with the opposite foot so your body momentum aligns with the ball flight for accuracy and distance. Finish with a full follow-through. Your palm and fingers should point toward the target as your body opens. This keeps the ball on line and ensures consistent rotation. If you want more hang or a float, slightly relax grip pressure. For distance, increase firmness and a stronger hip drive. If the ball slices or drops, troubleshoot release angle first, then wrist timing. Often a late wrist snap or angled palm causes misdirection. Practice small adjustments slowly until the feel matches the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.